Meaning of Guide Dogs for the Blind Association.
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 Guide Dogs for the Blind Association. The Guide Dogs for the Blind Association is a non-profit organization that provides guide dogs to people with visual impairments. The dogs are trained to help their owners navigate public spaces, avoid obstacles, and provide companionship. Founded in 1934 in the United Kingdom, the organization has trained thousands of guide dogs and provided them to people all over the world. The Guide Dogs for the Blind Association also provides support services to people with visual impairments, including counseling, education, and training. Overall, its mission is to enhance the independence and mobility of people with visual impairments through the use of guide dogs and other supportive services.